Oh, hey, y'all.
Stop recording. Button.
Areas of strong activity. Chance of rain 80%. Okay, much colder. Cloudy with numerous showers and isolated. The temperature.
Ooh. Ooh. That was big.
Oh man, that was a big one. That went up in the sky.
Stop recording. Button.
Y'all can hear out on our back deck in northwest or northeast of Buffalo, or east of Buffalo, Missouri. Dallas County, where
Oh man, Rose, that was right.
we got a little bit of wind.
There may not be. Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions.
Oh shoot. Is that a tornado?
No,
That sounds like a tornado. I'm not even kidding you.
it does, but
Holy
I
shoot.
think it's just thunder.
I think so, but
It does sound like it.
no, it would still be going.
Yeah.
It's thunder. This is October, I believe October 10th, 2019, at about 7:30. 7:30, yes. Ooh, updraft.
Wind's getting strong.
Stop recording. Button.
It's getting in the flash. Pretty big one.
What's my phone on the thing?
The flash flood watch continues.
It's still up in green.
Nothing.
Seriously?
No warnings yet.
Nighttime tonight, train with
They don't have
thunderstorms with
anything
heavy
out?
rainfall may lead to flash flooding across the area. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches may be possible.
Oh man, that was a big
The
one.
most likely underlying areas are near creeks, streams, and low water crossings.
As
Yeah,
y'all,
32.
as y'all very well may know. Weather out here is crazy, so
People should be out in hurricanes.
that's a little eye-tail, but I'm
They're
trying
not
to.
chickens.
I am. Stop trying to show off.
Get Ricky. There it goes.
And, okay. Ooh, that's gonna be big.
It hit something.
No, but it's going to be big. Ooh. Yep, it's gonna be big.
See? One. Maybe not.
No, give it a second.
Oh, yep. Oh, that was a big flash.
This next one's gonna be really big.
that was a little small flash
No.
way out in the field.
This one is going to be. Oh shoot.
That's because it's going to the trees.
Severe
One of them,
thunderstorm watch number
there's like an app
673 remains in effect until
that
8
can
p.m.
tell the
Oh,
wind.
it's raining.
Is it?
I think so.
Please, Lawrence. Monsters right. Enterville, Freedom,
Oh.
Geyser, Hurricane Deck, or your protection move.
Yes, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning that just came out. Oh, came out in just a minute. Oh shoot. That's gonna be big. This one was just issued. I think. I don't think it's an EAS though. Which is where you hear the tones. I think we missed it.
Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri, Kansas, Miller, and Morgan.
Okay, it is
Oh,
an
but
EAS.
caught that.
The current time
That
is
wasn't half
7:41
EAS.
p.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of the Missouri Ozarks, extreme southeast Kansas. For this afternoon and tonight, weather hazards expected. Limited tornado risk.
Ooh, whoa, that was close.
The conditions are
Did you see the
favorable for
cold
the
wind?
development of
I heard it
weather,
zap.
including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the area.
Ooh,
Severe weather may
that's
not
gonna be big.
Persons should remain alert
Yeah,
for
it's pretty
rapidly
big.
changing weather conditions.
Maybe we should have Kate's TS out
And possible warnings.
and think about
Stay
it.
tuned to NOAA weather radio.
I don't know what's
commercial
south of.
radio and television outlets or internet
Ooh,
sources for the latest
I don't
weather
like that.
information.
That's a long-lasting one.
No, it went back and forth.
Yeah.
Remains in effect
It's
until
still
8
cold.
It's like a big arc,
for the following counties.
and that's stretching all the way over into.
Dallas, Hickory, McLean, and Pulaski. Severe thunderstorm watch number 673.
Oh, that was,
Woo!
woo! That was right.
For the following counties in Missouri, Camden, Dallas,
What was that?
Hickory, McLean, and Pulaski. Remember, a severe thunderstorm.
Does that sound like electricity to you? Oh. Oh shoot.
Back up.
Yeah. We probably should go in.
Stay back. It's not clogged ground.
Ooh.
That's deep.
This for the latest severe weather information. Elsewhere across the Midwest, at St. Louis, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri, Camden, Dallas, Hickory, McLean, and Pulaski. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued severe thunderstorm. It was cloudy.
Ooh. We are. Yep.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour gusts and
Oh shoot. We may have to go in. That's big.
Oh, it's raining.
Yeah. No. Those are big.
Getting bigger.
Those are big drops.
Not yet.
Yeah, they are.
Ooh, that was dry. I don't know if that was ground. I couldn't tell. It went too fast. It went up the ground though.
Oh shoot. Ooh. Ooh, I don't like this.
Yeah, we can stay now.
Stop recording.
Okay, let's stay out for a minute or two. If it gets worse, let's go. Okay, that was dry.
Okay, I don't like. Oh, I like that's raining. Oh shoot, back up.
Yeah, back up. Okay.
Ooh. It's gonna be loud.
Small flash, but it is starting to
Severe
get
thunderstorm
a
watch
little
number 6
with the
at
rain.
3 remains in 8 p.m. Highs in Missouri, Camden, wind 73.
Dogs outside of it. Get back to me.
Nope. Oh, now it's raining.
Oh, that was wind and lightning.
Oh, shoot.
That's wind and rain and lightning.
I seen that. Oh, boy. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh. Oh, God, that's big. Oh.
It's coming closer.
Ooh, that doesn't work too good.
Okay, that was a small flash.
No.
It's red, but it was not as bright.
Ooh, boy. This next one's gonna be a big one. Yeah.
Alrighty, it's
Here it comes. We might ought to go in. My chest is just starting to... Ooh. Oh, boy. That's gonna be big. When it does that.
That was a big lightning strike. I didn't get to see it, but it caught my attention when it did. It's pretty bright.
Okay. Ooh.
Okay. Yeah, let's go. That was pretty big. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Maybe we should go there. That was bright.
Oh.
Including large hail and damage
Catch the thunder.
Let's go in.
Recording. Stop recording.
No, we're going in now.
Okay.